Hey guys, I hope you're having a great start of your weekend. I just came over to say how, amazed I am, how grateful I am, how much fun I had yesterday recording with Reezy. We couldn't be live, but I really hope you guys are gonna, head to his YouTube channel, subscribe, share some love, like the video, and let me know, let us know what you think. I hope get inspired, motivated, entertained. Yeah, I just want to hear from you what you guys think, and yeah, I hope you're gonna share a lot of love. Apart from the party outside, guys, I wanted to, oh my god, to say thank you for the incredible support you guys showed in the past months. And today, when I share with you this, it was really important for me. I hope it's the beginning of a long, successful journey. And I really want to thank you all for the incredible love you shared in your stories, in the post, in your DMs. All your messages really made my day. All of them. Thank you, thank you, thank you.